Shelly again, sometimes known as Shelly Tsunami, especially if you're my daughter who likes to call me Mommy Tsunami. I am gonna go through my FabFitFun unboxing. I did get several add-ins as well as my FabFitFun Spring 2020 box. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a subscription service that you get so you get once a quarter, so there's like a seasonal box. I think I bought it a year in advance and it was like 180 bucks, 179.99 I think is kind of what I ended up paying for it. You'd probably have to go to FabFitFun to get more information. I do think I might have a referral code down in the description box, so if you're not already a subscriber, you're welcome to check it out and maybe save yourself some money, maybe get a discount on the subscription if you want. I know that you could buy it by the season, or you could, you know, buy it by the year, or I don't know if you can do multiple years or not. But part of the draw of it is, you know, getting a box in the mail, and you know, a lot of it's lifestyle, some of it is, you know, skincare, beauty type things. And then you do get some choices as you're going through it. They do like a little questionnaire, so you can choose from one of like 3 or 4 things usually. And then you can also do add-ons. So if there's something that you really liked 2 things in that category, sometimes it's like, you know, $6-7 bucks to do the add-on. So I tend to find myself doing a number of those add-ons. This time I ended up with like 8 additional add-ons into just my regular box. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna go through all that. I don't have prices handy, but I'm just gonna show you what I ordered. First thing was this brush. It actually came in this little pouch here, Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. I got it because my brush broke, so I got a new brush. I don't think it was very expensive, but I like the rose gold. It actually kind of reminds me of the Olimar brushes that came in the Boxy Charm Base box this month, just in case you're in on that too. What else did I get? I got this, I don't know how do you say this, Elemis, I think it's Elemis. This is the body collection. And it's head to toe essentials. It's got a few little products in here. I didn't know how big these were gonna be. This is the Frangipani Mon Oil, I'm saying all that wrong, body oil, and it's not super big. And then also the shower cream, not super big. I don't know if you can actually see that. It came in there's a lot of packaging. It came with some packaging and a little card saying what it is. And this is head to toe essentials, leave skin scented, soft, and moisturized with luxurious frangipani range. I don't know. And then they give you a 15% off your next purchase if you want. Came with a little bag. I don't really need any more cosmetic bags. I really wanted the oil because, and really actually kind of the shower gel too, because I like oils in the shower. I like being able to kind of soften up my body before I get out of the shower. So that was kind of the draw on it, and it wasn't very expensive. So what do we have here? I got the Babe Lash Serum Conditioner Duo. So I've never seen it in these tins before. This product right here, this Babe Lash in the gold, I swear by this to lengthen your lashes. I used to have pretty wimpy eyelashes, and I found that I've seen these on Amazon for 89 bucks. You can buy these, you know, I have seen them in salons and stuff too. This is the Essential Serum. For me, I find that if I stop using it and I want to regrow them, I put it on morning and night, and you just do a thin swipe on your lash line. And then if your lashes are already good, or they're hitting your glasses, or they're hitting your eyebrows once they grow, you can actually cut it back down to once a day, and it'll just kind of maintain your length, I've found. So this, I think I got this for like 20 bucks or 24 bucks. I thought it was an amazing price for something that I will actually use, and I'm just gonna keep it sealed up until I'm out of what I'm in right now. This also came with a conditioner. So they say use the serum at night and the conditioner in the morning. We'll see, we'll see if that makes any difference at all. I'm thrilled with how it makes my lashes look, so I continue looking at it. I know sometimes you get these eyelash growth serum and it'll change your eye color. I haven't noticed that with mine. My eyes are still brown. I've been using it for a couple years now. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, and the other thing something else I bought was the Ciate, I think it's the Ciate in London. This is the Glitter Flip Duo in Undressed and Crush. So it came with 2 different lippies. And I'm gonna try, you'll have to ignore my matte red that was from my BoxyCharm unboxing. But, so this one is a really kind of pretty mauve color, and that one's called Crush. What's that shade right here? I think that's pretty. Kind of along the lines of what I would normally wear. And then the other one is called Undressed, and the, you know, the packaging is actually kind of pretty. That's what the packaging looks like. This looks like more of a nude, which is probably something that I would absolutely, oh yeah. This is a lighter nude, and lighter nude, and that's what this one is. This one is called Undressed, so it makes sense that it's kind of a nude. And I'll wear those colors, and again, I didn't keep track of how much they were, but they certainly weren't very expensive as part of the add-on. This is just kind of give you an idea of what you can get as part of the add-on. I did get a couple of these sponge gels. If you've seen any of my empties videos, I absolutely love these. These particular ones come on a loop, so you can hang them on your faucet to let them dry out, which I like better than just sort of having them sitting on the counter. This one is in the scent Honey Blossom, which was one that I hadn't tried before. And then I also got one that's Peony Flower, but my camera's sitting on it, so I'm not gonna show you that, but it's pink box instead of that one. I have seen these, I think they're normally, I'm gonna guess like around $14. I bought them $6 or $7. I think I recently saw them, I don't know if it's FabFitFun or Boxy, but I recently got like a couple of them for like $4. So you can actually get a really good deal on these, and I love them. They last about 14 washes. Sometimes I'll continue to use the sponge for another week or two just with regular shower gel, and then kind of use it to clean my tub before I throw it all away. So I don't know, that's too much information. The last thing, let's see here, no, I take that back. This is the Aveda Damage Remedy. I also picked that up as part of an add-on, and I like the Aveda products. Aveda, whatever you want to call them. They all have a very distinctive scent, but I have a lot of thick, coarse, dry hair, so I'm down with going back to some Aveda products. And then the last thing I got as part of my add-on was this Pure Pro eyeshadow palette, Etienne Ortega. And again, this wouldn't have been very much. I should probably have tried to find that palette. But this is the palette, and I want to think maybe it was $9, maybe $8. But I thought the color store was actually kind of pretty. And I've had one other pure palette, and I recently did a video on it, and I really enjoyed the looks that I got of it. I was pleasantly surprised for the size of it. And I want to think that this is maybe either $9 or $11 as part of their add-on. But I really liked all of the neutrals. There's some warmer colors, there's some cooler colors. I love that blue as just kind of a pop. Sometimes I like that as a lower lash line. Sometimes I'll use it to smoke out my eyes a little bit. But I think there's enough colors in here that I could definitely get 3 looks with this one palette. So I'm excited to film for that pretty soon. Okay, that was all that was part of my add-on list. And now I'm gonna actually go what was in my February FabFitFun. The first thing you always get is this magazine, and it talks about what's in it. It talks about some of, other things that you could have bought or other choices that you could have made. And they also come with a few, coupons, a whole HelloFresh thing. It seems like we're always one of those. This bite is not Bite Beauty. This bite is looks like it's some promotional thing to fix teeth. I don't know. Okay, so I'm trying to remember what my choices were, and I actually don't really remember. This video sucks, and I apologize for that. In the magazine, you get kind of a breakdown of what's in your box for spring 2020. I'm gonna go through a couple of the things that I got here. So I know there were some things that were kind of choice things that I ended up not choosing because I already had them, or I had ones that were very similar to it. I did get the Donny ribbed sweater coat, which looks like this. The MSRP on this is $100. It's $99 for this. So let's see here. Would I actually wear it? Yeah, I would actually wear that. It's kind of a one size fits all. I love a beigey kind of neutral nude. If you can't tell, I wear a lot of neutral nude colors. But I think this would be kind of a super lightweight kind of throw and go. I don't know what makes it $100. It's not a brand I've ever heard of before, but it looks like something I would actually wear, so I'm not upset about that. What else here? What else did I get? I didn't get the tote. I didn't get the tie-dye bowls. I did get the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. The MSRP on this is $78. All right, so peptide collagen infusion. I've been big into collagens lately. I don't know about you guys, if you're ladies of a certain age. It has a light, clean fragrance. I don't know if fragrance is in it, if they consider this fragrance free. Anyway, this collagen infusion, I'll try it. And the MSRP, if I didn't already say that, is $78. So that's cool. I'm cool with getting something that would be $78 because I probably wouldn't have tried it. It actually feels very nice and cooling and hydrating on my back of my hand where I put it on there. I did get the mask set. This is a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow mask collection. There was 8 masks in here. There is 8 masks in here. 4 of them are purifying mud masks and 4 of them are Ready Glow exfoliating masks. But it comes in a cool little box and a little brush, which will be good to reuse for the masks as well. And the MSRP on that is $45. I also got the AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner. I think I've had this in the past. MSRP on this is $24. So I will try that. I don't detect any scent at all on this. Okay, the Aveda Damage Remedy. This has an MSRP on this is $31. And I got that as well. I was thinking this might have been an add-on, but it might be because I liked the other options that were in that section and I picked it up as well. Jabanaria Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil. This MSRP on this is $68. And it smells kind of a light citrusy. It's very good. The Shake and Tonic Silicone Straws. It has 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case. MSRP on this is $15. Not anything, you know, to write home about. They're kind of pretty. And I guess this is a case to carry them in? I don't know how that would work. I don't know what this is for. I don't understand this whole carrying case situation. I might have to read up on it. I don't see how that could be a carrying case. So I might have to get back to you on that because I just don't really know how that's supposed to work. So you can clip them to your keys and be ready to go. They're like super bendy. Oh, I guess they are kind of bendy. Maybe you can just fold them up in there. I don't know. You know, there's enough places that are going to paper straws and stuff like that. That was one thing I don't think I had a choice on that. I think they just sent me that one. Or maybe I just didn't really care for any other choices. I'm not really sure. Okay, so I've got the, oh my word, stop messaging me. Got the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Multitasking Beauty Sleep Savior for better nights and brighter mornings. I've heard of this works stuff as like pillow spray, but I have to be really careful to anything that has lavender in it, and I don't know if this does. Let me give this a sniff down here. I'm already congested because of scents. And it has lavender in it. So lavender, some people really like lavender because it relaxes them. For me, I suffer from migraines. I get a lot of like ocular migraines, but anything that relaxes kind of like releases the flow of blood, and then I just kind of feel like I've been hit in the head. Whereas I like things that kind of constrict it a little bit. Ice works really well for me. Peppermint works really well for me. Lavender, not so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might see if my daughter wants it. MSRP on this is $40 though. I wish it would have said that it had lavender in it. It doesn't actually say anything about lavender in the description at all. I'm a little disappointed. A $40 body lotion thing that I can't use. And then the last thing I got was this Perlice Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Mask. And this has an MSRP of $35. I've gotten a few watermelon things recently and I've really liked them. So let's see how strong this is. We're just putting this in the back of my hand. Oh, it's gritty. It has fairly good sized particles. I'm just kind of rubbing it on the back of my hand. It doesn't smell like cloyingly watermelon, so I'm guessing it's like watermelon enzyme. Does it say 2-minute polishing peel is what it says. So I got a lot of skincare. The things that I didn't get that were skincare were these straws. Everything else I think I got this month or this quarter. Oh, and the sweater. So I got a sweater and I got some straws. Everything else was skincare. No makeup at all. And yeah, so I mean, I got a couple hair masks. I got some face masks. I got a serum and it's a rapid collagen infusion, which I think is like a serum. I got a body oil. I mean, I got some good stuff. Am I loving it? I don't know, maybe I'm just burnt out on the whole subscription thing. What do you guys think? Did you guys get anything kind of even similar to this? They said the value of this is between $232 and $503. There's again a couple things on here that I already had, so I didn't choose those items, or I have variations of something similar to it. I don't know. I'd be curious to see your guys' thoughts. Do you guys get FabFitFun? Do you enjoy it? It's kind of a good way to try products that, you know, you're not necessarily paying for. I mean, if you break down $179, so we'll call it $180. $180 divided by four times a year, 45 bucks a box. For between 45 and 50 bucks a box, I think there's a good amount of product. I like getting, you know, things in the mail, and so that's kind of cool. I'll use some of these, you know, they're not gonna go like directly into rotation, frankly. This video kind of sucks right now, to be honest. I'm not thrilled. I'm not in love. I liked my Boxy Premium pretty well. I already have a video up on that, and it came early, and that's great. The Boxy Base, I think I was super underwhelmed with. The FabFitFun box, I mean, it has things that I would actually use. It's got hair products, it's got skin products. I think I chose some of those things. The FabFitFun add-ons I probably didn't need. Some of them were things that I actually was super excited about. So that's it for my crappy video. I don't even know that I'm gonna post this, honestly, because this is so bad, but I've got other videos I have to film, and I wanted to get this out of my living room because here it sits. If you've suffered through this video and you're as underwhelmed as I am, please leave a comment down below. If you're feeling generous, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up just before you head out today. I really appreciate it. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more of these unboxes because I'm just, I don't know, maybe I'll cancel them. I don't know. What are you guys gonna do? Are you guys gonna cancel them? Do you guys get this? Do you enjoy it? Are you fully immersed in the subscription world and can't imagine doing anything else? But anyway, leave me a comment down below. As always, I hope you guys are doing really well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Portable carrying case. So you put them on one side and then this on the other. Maybe that's how it works. Maybe you do like this and you just carry it like that.